Decorating a small apartment can be an exciting and creative adventure. Even though the space may be limited, it doesn't mean you can't make it stylish, cozy, and functional. In fact, with the right tips and tricks, you can transform your small apartment into a charming oasis that reflects your personality. So, let's dive in and discover 10 friendly and humanly tips to make your small apartment shine. One. Let the sunshine in. Brighten up your small apartment by using light-colored curtains or blinds. And let that beautiful natural light flood in. Steer clear of heavy drapes that might make your space feel smaller and darker. We want those rays of sunshine to work their magic. Two. Embrace light colors. Think light, airy, and dreamy. Choose a color palette that includes soft and light hues for your walls, furniture, and accessories. These colors create the illusion of space and make your apartment feel open and inviting. 3. Mirror on the wall. Mirror on the wall, make my small apartment feel twice as tall. Hang mirrors strategically to reflect light and create a sense of depth. Mirrors work wonders in making your space appear larger and more spacious. Plus, they add a touch of elegance and charm. 4. Furniture with superpowers. Say hello to multifunctional furniture. Look for pieces that can serve more than one purpose. A sofa with built-in storage or a coffee table that can also double as a desk. These super-powered furniture items help you maximize functionality while keeping the clutter at bay. 5. Rise to the shelves. Make your walls work for you. Install wall-mounted shelves to save precious floor space. They're perfect for displaying books, showcasing decorative items, or even storing kitchen supplies. Plus, they add a vertical twist to your walls, making them a focal point of interest. 6. Go vertical. Let's think vertically, shall we? Hang artwork or shelving units higher up on the walls to draw the eye upward. This nifty trick creates the illusion of higher ceilings and gives your apartment an airy, open vibe. 7. Furniture, size matters. When it comes to furniture, size does matter. Choose pieces that are proportionate to your apartment's size. Bulky or oversized furniture can overpower a small space, making it feel cramped. Opt for sleek and streamlined pieces that fit just right. 8. Let's get zoned. Create separate areas within your apartment using rugs, furniture placement, or room dividers. This helps define distinct zones for living, dining, and sleeping, making your space feel organized and functional. It's like giving each area its own little personality. 9. Storage, the ultimate hero. Make the most of every nook and cranny by incorporating smart storage solutions. Utilize under-bed storage boxes, hanging organizers, or wall hooks to keep your apartment clutter-free and organized. 10. Bring nature indoors. Can't have a garden? No problem. Embrace vertical gardening by installing hanging planters or a living wall. This brings the beauty of nature indoors without sacrificing your precious floor space. Voila! There you have it. 10 friendly and humanly tips to help you decorate your small apartment with style and flair. Remember, these are just guidelines to get you started. Feel free to add your personal touch and adapt them to your own taste. Happy decorating, and may your small apartment become your cozy haven in no time.